sa Pasig Lakas 2025. Tinatawagan po ang ating kagalang-galang na Mayor at Vice Mayor, 10 na mga kasapi ng Sangguniang Panglungsod para sa paggawad ng mga tropeyo at gantimpala. Sa larangan ng chess, second runner-up, PCGH Chess Team. Ating first runner-up, Toro Chess Team. At syempre, ang ating champion ay ang Engineering Chess Team.
Sa larangan naman po ng darts, third runner-up, Engineering Darts Team. Second runner-up, Gleb Slashers. First runner-up, CSWDO Darts Team. At ang champion, OGS Snipers.
Para naman po sa badminton, second runner-up, Engineering Team. Ang ating naman po first runner-up ay mula sa Ugnayan sa Pasig, Netflix. At ang ating pong champion, PCGH Badminton Team. So nandyan din po, kabilang sa kanila ang ating MVP for male, Jeffrey Lubiano, at ang ating MVP for female, Jenny Salvador.
Sa larangan ng Mobile Legends, ang ating pong second runner-up ay ang Asta Blue Thunder. First runner-up ay ang OGS Esports. At ang champion ng Mobile Legends, PCCA Child's Hope Chaos. Kasama mo sa team na ito ay ang Finals MVP na si JB Glenn Coyla.
Ating din tunghayan ang mga nagwagi sa bowling. Second runner-up, Assessors Team. First runner-up, PCGH Team. At ang ating pong champion, CHD Strikers.
Volleyball, ang ating pong second runner-up, PCCH Women's Volleyball Team. Ang ating first runner-up, OGS Women's Volleyball Team. At nasa team na ito po ang ating season's MVP na si Nancy Suplente. And ang ating champion naman po, ang Engineering Women's Volleyball Team. Kasama ang finals MVP na si Mary Jill Cruz.
Mula naman po sa men's volleyball. Second runner-up, PCCH Men's Volleyball Team. First runner-up, Engineering Men's Volleyball Team. At syempre po, ang ating champion, PBRRMO Men's Volleyball Team. Kabilang ang season MVP na si Richmond Castillo at ang finals MVP na si Arvin Bueno.
At sa larangan ng basketball, ang ating po second runner-up, Sangguniang Basketball Team. Para sa ating first runner-up, POD Basketball Team B. At ang ating pong champion, CHB Frontliners! Kabila po dito ang season's MVP na si Jan Erman Samonte at ang finals MVP na si Algernon Victorino. Congratulations sa lahat ng ating mga manlalaro at sa lahat ng nasa likod ng Pasig Lakas 2025.
Maraming